That stubborn washer door won't budge? Let's fix it step by step. First things first, unplug your washer from the wall. Safety always comes first. Next, wait a few minutes. Sometimes, the door stays locked after a cycle because the machine thinks it's still running. Give it about 5 minutes, then try opening the door again. Still stuck? Check if there's water left inside. If so, your washer won't unlock until it's drained. Set your washer to spin or drain and spin. Then start the cycle. This should help clear any leftover water. If the door is still locked, look for a small access panel near the bottom front of your machine. Behind it you might find a manual release pull tab. It's usually plastic and colored red or orange. Pull it gently, and the door should unlock. No access panel? Try unplugging the washer for 10 minutes. This can help reset the machine's lock system. If none of these steps work, the door lock might be broken. At this point, it's safest to call a professional. Quick recap. Always unplug first, wait a few minutes, drain any water, check for a manual release, and reset the washer. If you're still stuck, call for help. Don't let a stuck door ruin your laundry day. With these steps, you'll be back to clean clothes in no time.